welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a special episode. It is a collab with my friend Shannon. I'll link her channel below. Go over there, subscribe to her channel, and send her some love. So today we decided to do the magical third layer. So in case you haven't realized it, a third layer, whether it be a cardigan, a jacket, a blazer, elevates any outfit. It is like kind of completes your look, okay? This is something I never knew until I started watching YouTube videos. I'm like, oh. And then of course I had to add to my collection. So we decided her looks are going to be more on the side of business casual, where mine are going to be casual. But in general, we decided to do a bright color cardigan, and I think we're both leaning towards coral, a printed jacket, and we both had a velvet blazer. So all three things are kind of unique. Like some people, like a lot of people, when they do a third layer, they tend to go to the very basics, like a black standard blazer, or a plain navy blazer, or a plain tan or camel blazer, which there's nothing wrong with those. But we decided to switch it up to make it like a bright color cardigan and a printed jacket and a velvet blazer. So you have something with color, pattern, and texture. And we're each gonna style them so you can get an idea on how you can possibly style yours, or maybe even purchase an item like this and get out of the box. So give me a minute, I'm gonna set up my camera so you can see the full view. But right now, all I'm wearing is a plain Target long sleeve tee from A New Day, all right? So this is like an $8 t-shirt. And a pair of non-distressed straight leg wash jeans. Give me a minute and let me show you how I can transform this outfit. Okay, so all I did was throw on this jacket, all right? This jacket makes the outfit. Otherwise, it was just a plain beige t-shirt. The jacket is by Sanctuary. It is a camo print, and I have to admit, I never showed you this in my Styling Camo Me Crazy series, because I had forgotten about it. So yes, this is an additional piece of camo that I have. So it's just a plain beige long sleeve tee from Target and a Sanctuary jacket, and here's the camo print in different beiges. And I got this from a Trendsend about 2 years ago, okay? Paired with it, I have a pair of just black, straight leg, non-distressed, dark wash jeans that I got from Fashion. And below it, I have my tan Vince Camuto booties, all right? So you can see, you don't have to be afraid of pattern in your jackets. It gives a variety of looks to your outfits. In the summertime, I often just wear this with jean shorts and a white t-shirt, and then bring the jacket when I'm cold, all right? Like if I'm going out somewhere. So I tend to wear this jacket more in the spring and summer than I do in the winter, but this is my outfit, all right? Give me a minute and I'm gonna style the cardigan next. Okay, up next is this very bright cardigan in like a coral color from Love Ellie from Stitch Fix, paired with this very printed top, also from Stitch Fix by Verse. I want to come close so you can see the details of the top. It is a very busy pattern, and it is a bright color cardigan. Don't be afraid to pair these two types of things together, as long as you keep the rest of your outfit neutral. So as you can see, I kept on the same plain dark wash jeans, and with it I also paired my navy blue booties so to match the jeans, to make it more seamless, so I'm not adding more things to catch people's eye. Let the top of me be the star of the show, and don't distract from the outfit by adding more color, because then it does get a little bit busy. But I think it's perfectly fine wearing a bright print along with a bright cardigan as a third layer, and I think the cardigan completes the look, okay? So don't be afraid to mix patterns, and not too crazy, but keep the rest of the outfit more neutral when you do so. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the third outfit, the blazer. Last outfit is something that would be appropriate for like going out to dinner, especially now this time of year that's chilly. So I have on a hot pink blouse that is a Vince Camuto blouse that I got from a trunk club. This is I believe it's a BB Dakota velvet blazer that I got from Stitch Fix doing a freestyle. It has pockets here in front, and it's very comfortable. It does not have stretch, though. I'm warning anyone who doesn't, stretch, but it fits me perfectly. Again, the same non-distressed straight leg jeans, and with it I have paired my knee-high suede boots. Now, they're fake suede, but they look like suede, and these are Kenneth Cole Reaction. And I chose these boots because of the texture, kind of goes in with the jacket. So you see, if I just wore this with the shirt, it kind of looks kind of boring, right? You add the jacket to it, and it definitely completes the look. Okay? So third layers are magical. If you don't have a decent amount of third layers, slowly start building them in. They're very often on sale. I know I have quite a few third layers from White House Black Market, beautiful blazers that I got like for $50. I've gotten some of them that you've seen me, I've gotten them on Macy's on sale. Just keep looking out for them because third layers, great. It can be jackets, they can be vests, they can be blazers, field jackets like I showed you, denim jackets of different prints and colors. So definitely build up your third layers because they definitely complete an outfit. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click the notification bell to give you notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. And visit my friend Shannon down below. Take care until next time.